All right, everybody, welcome back. We are here for another math solution problem. This time we're looking at this week's problem, and I have my studio audience back with me. Everybody say hello. Hello. And they're going to work hard to help us solve this problem today. All right, class, help us out. What is the first thing we're going to do in our six-step framework?
Read the entire problem.
Yes, that's right. We're going to read the entire problem. And today, my class has volunteered to read the entire problem for you. So let's go ahead and try this out. Go. Layla punched the time clock at work at precisely 7:52 a.m. If she punched out at 3:17 p.m., how long was she at work? All right, class, and now that we've done our step one, what is the second step we must do?
Rewrite the question as a statement.
Yes, we're going to rewrite the question as a statement. So we have, how long was she at work? Does anybody want to volunteer and tell me how I'm going to rewrite this question as a statement? Yes, Kenneth, go for it.
She was at work for blank hours.
I like that. She was at work for blank hours. Wonderfully done. Now, what is the third step of our equation?
Who or what is the problem about?
Yes, the third step in our framework is who or what is the problem about. And who is this problem about, class?
Layla.
Yeah, it's about Layla. And more specifically, Layla what? Just Layla's time at work. Would you say that? Layla's time at work? We're going to say Layla's time at work. And Mr. Evans, you guys know I like that little tape line of mine, but unlike some of the earlier videos I've done, but the last two videos I've done, we've been rolling with this number line, right? And so we're going to make this line to talk about time. Now, in this one, we are fortunate enough to be able to set up for our fourth step of the framework, which is what?
Draw your model.
And in this model, we know the start time and we know the finish time, don't we?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and put down our start time. Class, what was it?
7:52 a.m.
So we have 7:52 a.m. That was our start time. And I'm going to write start just below it. All right? We're trying to finish at what time, class?
3:17 p.m.
All right, 3:17 p.m. So I'm going to put 3:17 p.m. right there. And now we have to calculate all the time that has happened in between. But I want to make a really good jump, but I don't want to make too big of a jump. I want to set myself up for success later. Most times I tell you guys we want to jump to the next hour. What would the next hour after 7:52 be? 8 o'clock. So let's go ahead and jump to 8 o'clock. And if I were to jump to 8 o'clock, how many minutes would have went by to jump to 8 o'clock?
8 minutes.
8 minutes. So at 8 a.m., 8 minutes would have went by. Okay? Now I can start jumping some hours. But I want to be careful about how I jump these hours because at some point, this is going to switch over from a.m. to what?
p.m.
p.m. So I always say, let's jump to where the p.m. is going to take place at, which is at what? 12. So let's jump to 12. So we're jumping. Woo, all right, we're going to say that's 12. So this becomes 12 p.m. So the question is how many hours went by from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m.?
4 hours.
Yeah, let's check that out. It's 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m. So you're right. 4 hours went by. So with 4 hours gone by, we know we're looking at 4 hours and 8 minutes so far. But are we done yet? No. We have to jump all the way to 3:17 still. But you know what would be easier right now? Is if I jump straight to what hour?
3.
3 o'clock. Yes, let's go ahead and jump to 3 o'clock. And I'm going to stop 3 o'clock about right there. I'm going to say that that's 3 p.m. And how many hours went by from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m.?
3 hours.
3 hours. Yes, that was from 12. It went to 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m. That's right, 3 hours. And now from 3 p.m. to 3:17 p.m., how many minutes went by? 17. So we just make a jump of 17 minutes there. So now we just have to do some adding. All right. We know we have 4 hours. We have 3 hours. And then we have 8 minutes. And we have 17 minutes. If we add all those up, let's start with our minutes first. We got 8 plus 17. Class, can you do the mental math to figure that one out?
Yeah. 25.
Yes, 25 minutes. And then we have our hours right there, which is 4 hours plus 3 hours of class. What's that one going to be?
7 hours.
Yes, 7 hours. So we have successfully done the math to figure out how much time or how long Layla was at work. And she was at work for how long?
7 hours and 25 minutes.
So if we go back up here to our sentence, we got 7 hours we're going to put right there. But then we need to make another line right there for the minutes, don't we? 25 minutes. Wonderful job. That was pretty good. Why don't we go ahead and tell everybody thank you for stopping by today.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you for stopping by. Until next time, have a great one. Happy math solving.